If you don't understand this, you won't get very far in trading. Now you find your high structure zone, and now you're going to set the break and retest, with a potential continuation to the upside. This right here doesn't mean any sort of prediction. You are not saying that there will be a breakout, or further after that, there will be a retest. And of course, after that there will be a continuation to the upside that you're going to catch. When you see a breakout and retest pattern, it means that if a breakout happens to be created. Also further next, if a retest happens to be created right after that a confirmation happens to be created. All one, by set of strict rules, from conditions in the strategy. Then I'm going to take a trade, based on the same strategy, applications, and management techniques. And I accept that I don't know the outcome of the trade. But what I know is that, if I take 100 of these trades, at the end I will be profitable. I accept that the outcome is purely unknown, and I dedicate my actions on this. Trade by the rule book of my strategy. This is the only way that you are going to bring consistency and profitability in your trading career.